How to make puchero by Jose Rosal. Puchero is a traditional Filipino stew. Puchero is a hearty and flavorful stew made with beef, pork, chicken, and vegetables. Let's learn how to make it. Ingredients: 1 pound beef brisket or beef shank, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 pound pork belly, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 whole chicken, cut into pieces. 2 medium-sized potato, peeled and cubed. 1 large onion, chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 large carrot, peeled and sliced. 1 cup banana blossoms. 1 cup pechay. 2 tablespoon patis. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper and 2 tablespoon vegetable oil. Prepare the ingredients. Wash and chop all the ingredients according to the list. Sear beef and pork. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Sear the beef and pork until brown. Add onion and garlic. Add the chopped onion and garlic to the pot and saute until softened. Add chicken. Add chicken pieces to the pot and cook until brown. Add potatoes and carrot. Add cubed potatoes and sliced carrot to the pot. Add fish sauce and seasonings. Add patis, salt, and black pepper to the pot. Stir well. Add water. Add enough water to cover all ingredients. Bring to a boil. Simmer. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 1 to 2 hours until meat is tender. Serve. Serve hot with steamed rice. Variation. You can customize your puchero by adding or substituting other ingredients such as saba, bananas, or plantains. Enjoy your delicious puchero. Share your puchero with family and friends.